yoga classes, tutorials, and all the fun stuff in the air. But today's video is quite unordinary for my followers, but I think it might be useful for you guys. For those who are familiar with aerial yoga, you well know that aerial yoga asks a lot of strength from the upper body, like the shoulder line, the arm power, and sometimes we might overdo it. So of course we need something like massage or deep tissue thing to point out those strain points. So I received a very cool toy, massage toy, that at first I was kind of skeptical and I thought, maybe it's just one of those stuff. But actually, it really helped me out with a lot of classes because I teach sometimes 4 or 5 classes plus my own practice per day, and my body is overwhelmed with all that action up in the air, which is cool, but sometimes I need to recover and I don't have that time that much, or book a massage when traffic and stuff. So it's very useful to have something handy next to you and effective. And I found this very cool toy, which is a RecoverFun brand, and it's like massage gun. It sounds very like gun, power up, but it's actually very cute. And it says in 2 colors, red and black, but for some reason mine's a special one. And I received a pink one, like magical. Anyway, let's go back to topic and let's check what's inside. And let's open it. Oh, and there you are. Let's come closer. Okay, so first we're getting a very cute bag for all the little toys and heads, like attachments, the instruction, and the whole thing. So as you see, it's very pinkish and shiny. And there you go. So this is that main thing, the massage gun. Looks like this. And as you see, it's not yet with the ending. This is where you put the heads. This is where you turn on and make the intensity either like not as rapid and rapid. And what else? So let's check the heads. There's one shining head to attach. It's very solid. And the other one is like a ball, which is more softer, and it's good for just going over all muscles and areas. And this is more like a pointy thing, which is good if you already have like a trigger or something, which I had like in the shoulder, and it really helped to release the tension from that area. So that. And the 4th attachment for this massage gun of RecoverFun is this one, which is very good actually to slide through the spine and lengthen the muscles. And also you of course have the USB charger. And let's try it out a little bit. I will show how it's wiggling around if you power up. Okay, so there you go. I'm taking again RecoverFun massage gun, the slidey end, and putting in. And this is the turning on button. So I'm just pushing it in. It lights up and starts traveling. As you see, it's 1 dot of the light. That means it's the lower intensity, and you can go up if you check how fast it goes, and the sound. And let's go to the first one. So let me just get out of my silk. And let's try, for example, my hand, right? Biceps. So just relaxing it and just pushing it a little bit softly. And this one is very sliding nicely through the skin. And massage, that's very cool. Triceps. Deltoids. So you can just, massage yourself. If you want to do something and you can do it also on your shoulder, just be careful, don't punch it too much onto your bone, it's very unpleasant. So you have to know your body, you have to know your soft tissues, where you want to push it. So now let's try more intense. Let's say now I'm on a level 3. Yeah, so again, you see it's less moving now because it's so frequent. But it depends what you want, if you want just relaxation of your muscles, or you actually have that spot that you want to massage it out. So by that you will decide. Yeah, so this is that end. You can check out the other ones. Oh, so nice. Then I don't need any massage now. Okay, so this one, it's actually, as I said, it's good for the bigger muscle groups. Like it's more pleasant and it gives, takes the whole area. And yeah, so for example, in my leg, it's maybe faster. Yeah. Yeah, so for the quads, it's super nice. Or big muscles as, the glutes. Where also, if you work out a lot, it takes, like it sometimes might be overstretching of the back. Also works on that. So that. And if you get like trigger points, this would be the perfect one. But this would be better perhaps if someone will help you out actually point it. So now I will ask my boyfriend to join me. Oh. So there you go, guys. You saw how it works more or less, and it's super easy to change the heads and just to use it and just throw it somewhere in your gym bag or in a backpack. And yeah, so this one is the mini version. I saw on the RecoverFun website they also have the bigger ones, but this one is very elegant. Just have it as for me as a lady and stuff. But of course there are like band colors too, the black ones as I mentioned before. And I must have to say, me and my boyfriend charged this guy is, I don't know, like a week ago, and it still keeps on going. So it holds up a lot of power in itself. And as far as I read it, it holds up to 5 hours. So there you go, it's plenty of time, and you don't massage for 5 hours, right? So you can check up more of the information on RecoverFun, on massage guns and stuff. It's like a new thing now. So anyway, thank you for watching this review on this massage gun from RecoverFun, and see you soon, guys, on my other videos of aerial yoga classes, lessons, tutorials, and whatever you would like. Just comment down below and subscribe to my channel. See you guys soon. Bye.